Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To construct a copper golem in survival or experimental modes, start on a flat 3x1 area and place 2 copper blocks stacked vertically to form its body. If your world implements the lightning activation rule, attach a lightning rod on the top face so a lightning strike will finalize the spawn and animate the golem. Some servers or data packs require an additional copper ingot placed on the front block as a finishing detail. Check the rule set before trying to create one. Once active, the copper golem patrols a roughly 5-block radius, moving slowly and nudging hostile mobs away on contact to protect villagers and crops. When struck by lightning, it becomes charged and repairs itself instead of taking damage, making storms a tool for maintenance. The golem's copper body oxidizes over time when exposed, but it resists complete breakdown. Test worlds show approximately 1/4 more resistance to ambient oxidation than loose copper items, so placement under partial cover increases lifespan. To get the most from a copper golem, keep it sheltered from constant rain and direct sky exposure to slow oxidation and extend service life by weeks. Position the golem as a passive guardian near farms, villager halls, or redstone builds where its nudging behavior and pathing will deter hostile mobs without activating redstone. When its copper surface degrades, you can repair it by getting a controlled lightning strike or by applying a single copper ingot directly to the body if your server or data pack permits manual repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.